Let me show you how to switch back to the old app icons in iOS 26. Now, in iOS 26, they use the liquid glass theme, but you can always switch back to the old app icons. I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is get into the editing mode of your home screen here. You can do that two different ways. You can press and hold on an app. And from here, you can see edit home screen. You can choose that, or you can just press and hold anywhere that there isn't an app. You'll be able to see a screen that looks like this. We need to go through the process of editing your home screen and customizing it. Now, this is where you can go back to the old version of the icons. You can see the new clear glass or liquid glass has either tinted or clear, but you can switch back to the default look and theme. Now, when you switch back to the default, you do have some options. You can press that little sun icon to make the background a bit darker or a bit lighter, depending on how much you want the apps to stand out. And of course, you can have it switch to dark mode, depending on whether you want it to be dark mode always or just dark mode auto. And this will turn to dark mode just at night. Now, keep in mind, after you've done that, we might also want to return basically to how your iPhone looked and felt before iOS 26. Essentially, you can turn on reduce transparency. When you do that, everything pops a little bit more and you won't see that liquid glass look and feel as much as you did before. You can still see that you see some of it. And if you want to go one step further, you can also turn on increased contrast, which increases the contrast of any kind of text and visuals and everything so that everything looks and feels a bit more bold and stands out.